Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to apologize that I didn't upload a vlogmas I think 25th, I think. So I didn't upload a video or vlog or the vlogmas on the 25th, which is kind of a bummer because I want to finish off the vlog, the whole 25 days vlogging, but I just couldn't do it, you guys. Like, my body is just so sore, and my neck, I still have like pain in my neck and my back. And also I also just want to like celebrate Christmas with my family and spending time with my family, and that's why I didn't film any vlog. Plus I was just like, what do I film? Like, what do I need? Like, what do I need to film? I was just like out of how do you call it, I was out of like content in my head. Like, I don't know what to film, because I was literally gonna film this, but I'm kind of disappointed because I ordered a lot of, not a lot, but I ordered quite stuff in online, and some of the things that I ordered online didn't even arrive. So I'm just like, I don't want to film it yet because I want to wait on those products so I can like show it to you guys. But anyways, in this video you're gonna see first what I got myself for Christmas, and then for the other video is I'm gonna film a what I got for Christmas, which is like, you know, I'll get presents for my friends and family. And also I'm gonna do a Zara haul, so I have like at least 3 videos to catch up for you guys because I didn't upload a vlogmas. I'm sorry about that. Because, and I also did post like a on YouTube that I wasn't really like feeling good. So anyways, if you want to see what I got for myself for Christmas, then keep on watching. Okay, so first things first is from Chanel. So I just got one. I already opened the box and everything, but I got the number 5 lotion. This is the body lotion from Chanel. I cannot wait to smell this. So anyways, I believe this is like $55, like your body lotion. So that's the packaging looks like, and I just want to smell the lotion really bad. My focus, okay. So I ordered another gift for myself, which is the mirror, and I placed an order around, it was kind of late, around I believe December 22 or the 23rd, and it's still not here because I mean, I can't understand because I placed an order really late. But anyways, I ordered it first or second week of December. So yeah, this is the body lotion, and you guys look at this packaging. Oh my goodness. So let me just squeeze. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. It smells really fresh. Very rosy. It smells really good and very lightweight. That's good. Okay, so that's what I got for myself. This is the first one that I got. The second one is from Chanel as well, which is, I think, I don't know if you guys remember one of my vlogbus. I went to Bloomingdale's because I want to get their hand cream, but they only have this one, which is new. I was gonna get the white hand cream, but when I was also testing this out, the sales associate that helped me, she said this is actually our new product and it's also good. But yes, and this is like the only one left, so might as well purchase them. So I didn't know that they were so big, because in the pictures I thought they were like smaller than this, but they're actually pretty big. And how many ounces? Okay, so it's 1.7 fluid ounces, and this is just a hand cream. I know it's kind of bougie for a hand cream. I live where it's really cold and my hands get so dry really quick. Even my face now gets so dry really quick. So I'm just like, I need a hand cream that can, I do have like a lot of antibiotic hand cream, but they're very thick, like very thick, and this one is just very light. So yeah, I can't wait to try this as well. All right, moving on, because I don't want this video to be long so you guys don't be bored. Okay, so this one just literally, I just got this in the mail, and this is one of the stuff that I ordered online, and this is from Crave Beauty. Crave Beauty. So I ordered 2 stuff from Crave Beauty. I also filmed a TikTok about this, unboxing it. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, I'll put my handle here. Go follow your girl. So I got 2 stuff from Crave Beauty. And the first one is the Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser. So that's the first thing I got. And if you guys are interested on the products that I purchased myself, I'm gonna try to leave them in my description box below if you guys are interested. So this is the first thing I got from Crave Beauty. And then the second one is the Great Barrier Relief. Right there. And I have a lot here in this little Sephora box. So the next one would be this too. I purchased them at Ulta. So this one is the repurchase actually, and I love this so much. This is the scalp and body scrub from the brand Way, or I don't know if that's how you pronounce their name, but yeah, I love this, you guys. It smells really good as well. I freaking love it. And then this next one is this Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. I've seen a lot of videos all over TikTok, and I'm just like, I need to try that, or I need to like smell it. So I went to the store. They actually have 3 different perfumes. So this is the one that I really like. But this is what the packaging looks like, you guys. It's so cute and it's so freaking sexy. Like, when I tell you, it's like, why did I now just discover this? Because it smells sexy, and I don't know, it just screams like a bad bitch. Okay, it smells really good. Oh my goodness, it smells like you got your shit together. Type of like, you're that bitch. Okay, it smells really good. And I believe there's this, I think I remember it's $69 for 1 fluid ounce. They do have the how do you call this, 2 or 1.5, I believe. But yeah, I just got this one because I have so many perfumes already. Okay, so next one would be this box that I ordered from Sephora last Black Friday haul, and I was gonna do like just a Sephora haul, but then like, I got this myself for Christmas, so might as well just save it and, you know, show it to you guys in this video. So I got a couple stuff from Sephora. This Inkless Oat Cleansing Balm. Ooh, so I was just curious about this whole, like the whole brand of the Inkless, because I actually like their hyaluronic acid, and I want to try this oat cleansing. It says you can use AM and PM as well. I also love their packaging. It's very simple. The next one from the Inkless is their PHA toner, and I do love my ordinary toner, but the thing is, I just use it every PM, but sometimes it's been a couple of days. I don't know what happened, but the first time I did use that toner, my skin didn't really react well. I don't know if just because I'm testing a lot of skincare, or maybe it just kind of like ruins my skin. That's why I purchased this one, because I really heard a lot of good stuff about this. It's like good for your skin barrier. So yeah, I don't know what happened there, but then I also was like researching like what all can be like a great toner as well. So this one is from the Inkless as well, and hopefully, yeah, I do have a sensitive skin. Hopefully this will not burn my face. But yeah, this is the toner. Like I said, I really love the packaging. It's just black and white. Okay, so the next one is gonna be the sunscreen, and I was gonna get the, what was the famous sunscreen that everybody used? I forgot, but they said that it was false claim that they only have like 19 SPF on it instead of 50. But this one, let me know, you guys, because I do love my Neutrogena sunscreen. I just spray that, it's really good. I literally have that on my work bag, like on my everyday work bag, because I just like to like spray on my face, especially if I'm not wearing makeup. So I just kind of like reapply sunscreen. So if you guys know what type of if you guys know what sunscreen is good, especially that don't leave any white cast. Please let me know because I want to try. I was gonna get the sunscreen from Crave Beauty, but then I was like, I did order the sunscreen, so let me try this first, and then if I like it, maybe I'll just finish it and then order the Crave sunscreen. So this is the Innisfree Daily UV Defense Sunscreen, and this one has SPF 36. I thought it has like SPF 35. I mean 50, but that's fine. So I'm gonna try this as well, and I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. The next one is gonna be this Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser Face Wash. I've seen this all over the internet as well, and of course Skincare by Hiram. If you know him, then you know. So I just ordered or I picked up this little tiny bottle because I don't want to like commit to the big bottle yet. If my skin is loving it, then I might get the bigger bottle, but if not, then you know I'm not gonna repurchase them again. So this is a Kale Plus Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. So from, what is it? What's the brand? Youth to the People. Right there. So I just got this little tiny cleanser, and I have another cleanser, so hopefully I'm gonna try to use maybe AM or PM on both, and hopefully my skin will be saved. Okay, I'm almost done. So next one is from Summer Fridays, and I also heard a lot of good stuff about this. Okay, so hopefully this one will work as well. This is the jet lag mask. Like I said, I also picked up the smaller one. You do have the bigger ones, but I'm like, I'm not sure if, like I said, if my skin's not gonna like it. I'm just gonna buy the small ones for now. But yeah, this is the jet lag mask. I can't wait to use this as well. The packaging is really nice. Like you can just like squeeze it instead of like in the plastic bottle. This is actually pretty cool, and I also love this color of the packaging, like the baby blue, like baby light blue. It's so cute. Okay, the last one that I ordered from Sephora, this is the Daily Microfoliant from Dermatologica. Miss Jackie Aina made me buy this because she always uses this, and I was like, I'm also like curious about this Dermatologica product. So I went ahead and got the smaller size version because like I said, I just want to try it first, and hopefully that it will be good, and hopefully it will work out on my skin. So I'm trying some skincare here, guys, to save my sensitive skin. So hopefully this one will work. So right there, it's so tiny, it's so small. All right, so we're almost done. This is what I also got for myself from Target. I stopped by there I think a week ago, and I repurchased more mighty patches. This is the invisible one, and this is the one with the micro point for blemishes mighty patch. If you are watching this, contact me, because look at my obsession about these. Are empty, okay? These are empty mighty patches. I got like more than this box. I just wanna like show you guys my obsession about this mighty patches because they do work. Like if you have that like pimple like coming in because your monthly visitor is coming, just pop on one of these and you'll be good. I got so many mighty patches. These are empty, okay? I got the red one, I got the blue one, the invisible one. The red one is the original one. The blue ones are the invisible one, which is you can literally wear it on a daily. That's what I love about them. And this one is more of like micro point for your blemishes. And I also have their dark spots, I think, for that dark spot is in my bathroom. But yeah, I got this as well for my, you know, my Christmas. And then restock on my micellar water, and this is the hydrating one because my face is a little bit dry right now. And then the last thing that I got from Target is this like sleepwear or loungewear from Stars Above. So basically this is like a dress, like when you're going to sleep or something. Yeah, you just like wear this, and it's black, so I was like might as well get this. And it's really soft, you guys. It's super soft. So that's what I got. And then also I'm just gonna put like a screenshot here. I did order the blue bottle cold brew, and then that's still pending. Like it hasn't moved. USPS, I keep checking every single time, like every day, and it hasn't moved yet. And also I ordered 2 more coffee from the blue bottle as well, which I'm just gonna put like the picture here, the screen. And I also ordered 3 clothing from Aritzia, and it's still not here. It says FedEx, it's gonna be here like what next. It says here scheduled to deliver Tuesday, which is gonna be next week. And I don't want to like make this video like, I don't want to put this video like late after like a couple days after Christmas. So yeah, I'm not gonna insert, but I'm just gonna like do like a separate video, or maybe just like show you guys in one of my vlogs when it arrives. And also yesterday my friend and I also went to the mall, and Zara were having sale, and they have like a lot of cute pieces that I got, which I will be showing you guys this but on a separate video. So stay tuned for that, because I will be doing a haul. So anyways, that's all I got for myself. I think if I'm missing something, I'm just probably gonna tell you guys. But anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.